Here's how to install VSeeBox V6 Plus in just 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide. If you just got your VSeeBox V6 Plus and want to start watching quickly without dealing with confusing setup steps, this guide will walk you through the entire installation process so you can get everything running smoothly in a few minutes. Start by taking the VSeeBox V6 Plus and placing it close to your television. Inside the package, you should find the main box, a power adapter, an HDMI cable, and the remote control. The first step is connecting the box to your TV. Take the HDMI cable and plug one end into the HDMI port in the back of the VSeeBox. Then plug the other end into an available HDMI port on your television. Next, connect the power adapter. Plug the adapter into the power port on the VSeeBox and connect the other end to a wall outlet. Once power is connected, the box will turn on and a startup screen will appear on your TV. If the screen does not appear right away, use your TV remote to switch to the correct HDMI input where the VSeeBox is connected. After the device starts, the next step is connecting it to the internet. You can do this using Wi-Fi or a wired connection. If you want to use Wi-Fi, open the settings menu on the screen and choose the network option. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Select your home network and enter your password using the remote. If you prefer a wired connection, simply plug an Ethernet cable from your router directly into the port on the back of the box. Once the internet connection is complete, the system will check for updates. Allow the device to finish any updates so it can run smoothly. This usually takes only a short time and the box may restart automatically after the update finishes. After the system loads, you will see the main home screen. From here, you can open the apps and services that come with the device. Use the remote to move through the menu and explore the available features. Many users begin by opening the live TV or streaming apps to start watching channels right away. You can also adjust a few settings to make the experience better. For example, you may want to check the display settings to make sure the video resolution matches your television. You can also pair the remote if your device supports voice commands or additional controls. Once these steps are complete, the VSeeBox V6 Plus is ready to use. With the box connected to your TV, powered on and linked to the internet, you can begin exploring channels, apps, or other features without needing additional setup. Following these simple steps makes installing the VSeeBox V6 Plus quick and easy. In just a few minutes, your system can be fully connected and ready to start streaming your favorite content.